welcome back. It's been a busy couple of weeks at the garage, which is great. I really like it like that. Some very exciting boxes over there. Nat from Nat's Knackers Yard will notice them, and Nat's going to get a personal message later with what I'm planning to do. Step 2, rear side panel. Look at the paint. I couldn't have got it like that. Step 3. Stunning. Wow, look at the shape. Wow. Remember guys, this small engine is ULEZ compliant, it's tax free, it's MOT free, it costs £69 a year to insure. Look at it, you don't have to worry about the battery, it's got a kickstart. You can kick it and it will charge. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, I can't believe it. Nat's paint is ridiculous. He's captured the originality there, and it's something I wasn't kind of going to do. Black wouldn't have justified this bike. You wouldn't have seen the lines. Nat's blown it out the park there. I can't believe it. Can't believe it. I'm gonna get these videos to Nat. I'm gonna get the videos out to the members. I'm gonna put all this stuff away. I don't want it scratching or breaking. It's all going back in its box so that we can actually finish the bike. But I'm absolutely blown away. I can't wait to take this thing for a spin. And members, do me a favour, let me know in the comments, what colour should the badge be? I think it should probably be that white original, eh? Oh, I don't know actually. I wish I could hold this here so I could go and look. I'm not sure actually. If I could get that, I want to try and get that for these, for the grips, that colour to tie it all in. Maybe a red here, maybe a similar maroon red. I don't know actually. Let me know in the comments, I'm curious. Step 5, Motorcycle Rescue and Nat's Knackers Yard collaboration tax discs. Brilliant, white colour as well. I want it to be obvious somewhere, so it's probably going to hang down here, but that will be obvious. Very cool. So it's little bits and pieces now. Its number plate is back on. Cool number plate that. If it's sitting a bit high, I need to put the seat, mock the seat on. I can't remember if I bolted it under or over. It looks a bit high there. I'll throw the seat on and check. But either way, yeah, number plate on the rear. This stuff's all very messy. I think it's probably all meant to be on the other side, because this won't get up to the positive terminal from here. So I'm going to push it all to the other side and tape it up a bit. That is meant to be there. I'm not sure if they're both meant to be there, maybe on both sides. So I'm just going to do a little bit of neatening up here. I think the coil wiring is done. I think this is it. This one up into here, that goes to some sort of capacitor, that goes into the coil, and that goes back to the capacitor. So I don't know how, but I think that is the system. I know that sound. Alright. Okay, lots of little bits done here, guys. Seat on. I'm just putting coats of black on the exhaust retainers. Just want to make sure they're coated properly so rust doesn't come through. I've moved the coil to the right side because we've got the ignition here. I'm watching a front mudguard on eBay. It's not going to be a traditional front mudguard. I'm going to be cutting it down, painting it, and then using it as a template or sticking a shorty over it. I'll explain at the time. So for next week now, I need to do a couple of bits. I need to get one top cap for a spark plug. No idea where they come from. I'll have to look on eBay. 2 connecting tubes to the carb. I'm going to have an air filter in behind here. It's the red ones. It'll be in the airbox. They're hidden. It should be fine. It shouldn't choke. Exhaust will go on next week as they are. Eventually, new handlebars, like I said, new levers, new cables. It needs a new clutch cable. It looks like it needs a new speedo cable, so they'll be on. We were looking at the wheels with Gary. You know, £500 to get them refurbed. That's so much money, but it is so much work to do it by hand. They are bad. They are rusty. The rim is bad. It would need taking apart fully and doing properly. So I'm going to think about what I do with the wheels. I'll look for a second-hand set in good condition online just in case, but I highly doubt you'll find that. Otherwise, I'll look at what the long-term thing is. Ideally, I'd have all of these silvers re-chromed, but it costs too much again. Costs too much. But it is looking so much better. I mean, look at the frame. You know, the frame patchwork, I'm going to call it, has made such a difference. It just blacked it up. It's just made it neat and clean. It looks more loved. So, next weekend, we should be closer to this bike being ready for a start-up soon, actually. I want to do other bits and pieces soon. I want to paint the tubes again and put a thick lacquer on. I want to paint the brake caliper and put a lacquer on, so that's long term, because look, it scratches a bit easy, and I think I had a light lacquer on this, so I might get a good strong one. But yeah, that's where we are at this stage. It's not cheap, it's not quick, it's a long-term project, but it is getting there. It's you know, slowly getting there, and hopefully it'll be up and riding and running again soon. Let me know your thoughts and feelings in the comments. I'm curious. Hopefully you'll get to see it with its paintwork soon.